Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the truck and trailer are physically ready and the backup assist is enabled. First, set correct hitch height and safety chains. This ensures predictable pivoting. Next, verify the truck's trailer brake controller is linked and the camera view is clear. Once done, use the center screen to enable trailer backup assist, then shift into reverse. You need these steps locked in so the system can steer accurately and compensate for trailer length and angle. You now take control with the dash knob while keeping your hands lightly on the wheel for safety. Turn the knob in the direction you want the trailer to go. The truck will steer opposite to pivot the trailer correctly. Monitor the rear camera overlay and driveway lines and make small knob adjustments. Big moves cause overcorrection. Also, modulate the throttle gently. Steady speed under 5 miles per hour keeps the trailer tracking and prevents a jackknife during tight maneuvers. You finish by bringing the trailer into final alignment using small knob corrections, and if the angle is nearly right, creep forward slightly to straighten the rig. Once positioned, shift to park, set the parking brake, and visually confirm the coupler and lights. If the trailer tracks poorly or steering lags, recalibrate the camera and re-enable trailer backup assist in settings. Make sure tire pressures and hitch tightness are correct. This troubleshooting step solves most sensor and tracking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.